Hi everyone, my name is Gary and I'm a plant doctor here at the Moana Nursery on Pyramid Way. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the strawberry plant. Strawberries are kind of an oddity in the plant world. The fruit is a little different than what most plant fruits are in that they're called an aggregate fruit, meaning that one is composed of many. When we look closely at a strawberry, the fruit is actually the individual seeds and not the berry part itself. Another thing about this plant is that it's in the rose family. These are hardy perennials that come back year after year. And because they're in the rose family, that means that we can manipulate their genetics a little bit more than some other plants too. So for us, we now have tons of varieties of different strawberries. I got about 6 different kinds behind me right here. All of them can be grown a little bit differently, but there's kind of some similar rules that they go with. Mainly being that in our area, the sun is a little bit too hot mid-summer. And you can plant them in full sun, but the trade-off is you get less fruit for it because they need to spend more water in the summer trying to stay cool rather than producing fruit. And you can mitigate this by actually planting them in a little bit of a shadier spot where you'll get more fruit year-round. Strawberries are actually a Native American plant, so they're grown in most climates here in the continental United States. They're perennials, so they're really good at living through our hard winters here without much added care. Like, you don't need to mulch them, you don't really need to do anything with them except for just let them go into dormancy and make sure to give them a little bit of water throughout the winter just so that they don't dry out all the way. If growing vegetables just ain't your jam, why don't you try growing some of these plants instead? They're very easy to grow and very delicious as well.